Hey beautiful people, thanks for tuning in to another video. So in this video I will be giving you a quick tutorial on how I got this very cute finger coil set. So this is coming from my product review on the 4C Only Too Soft hairline. So make sure you check that out. But for this video, I'm just going to show you what I used and what I did to achieve this hairstyle. So stick around. In 4 sections. So I'm just putting a little dab on my fingertips. Gonna make sure it's nice and detangled and just begin to coil it at the root and then coil it all the way down. And there's your finger coil. And then you just proceed to do that with your whole head, yes. So when I first did finger coils, I was like, I basically left it like this, and that's fine because it looked cute, but I did them a lot bigger. I'll insert a picture. I did them a lot bigger, and I was like, what the heck happened here? Like, this is not what I was like going for at all. But I didn't know that after you do a bigger finger coil, you can go in and separate the finger coil into smaller coils, and then that's probably how you get the look that you're going for. So yeah, just continue to carve off a piece. You can do them bigger or you can do them smaller, but the way I'm doing it is probably just medium, just getting a little dab of the styling cream, detangling it with my fingers, and then ℓ𝓸𝓸𝓷 comb and gently detangling it one more time. Kind of get the roots really good, and then go down. And if you ever done a twist out or braid out and coiled your ends, that's all this is. It's just going from the root, and then when you take it out, you'll separate it and then kind of coil it again. But you'll see that. I'll show you all of that. But it's a very simple style. It just can be time consuming based on the amount of hair you have and the thickness and things like that. And it's probably one of the most time consuming takedowns also, because you're not just separating, but you are coiling each piece around your finger. But I think it's really cute in the end. This is the first section of coils complete, and I'll just proceed with the rest. I am on the last little section. My hair is still nice and still soft and moisturized from that leave-in. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I'll be going out, like I said, later, so it'll be dry by then. The residue won't be there anymore. hopefully. But with these products, I don't think the residue is going to be there anymore. It seems like it blends and just like soaks into your hair. I know some products you can see like the little white balls or stuff like that, and I'm not seeing that today with my hair. So I think it'll dry fine, and I'll probably put like a jewel or something in it, and maybe my edges. I don't know, but it'll be cute. It's cute either way, you know. Natural hair, it can be done in so many different variations, so many different ways, you know. So it's gonna be cute either way. And then I'm excited to take it out tomorrow. Now hopefully I got some nice definition. So I'm gonna just get some light oil, rub it on my hands, and rub it throughout my hair. That way I can eliminate as much frizz and get some shine. And to separate, you want to grab a twist and kind of wrap it around your finger in the way that that twist is going. So I can even separate this one a little bit more. And this is what I meant by you're pretty much finger coiling twice. So you want to separate and then coil it. And this is the part that can take a little bit of time. So you're essentially just taking this bigger finger coil and separating it into smaller finger coils. Because the shape is already there. When you separate it, you're just kind of reinforcing the shape a little bit. So in these clips, you can see what I mean by doing the finger coil in the direction that you did it initially. And of course, you can't remember which way you did it, but if it comes out like these are, then you're on the right track. You're doing it in the right direction. So over here, you'll see that I'm doing it the wrong direction, and that's why it came out all weird looking. And over here, I'll show you again. If you're doing it in the wrong direction, it'll come out a little short and puffy, and then you go in the other direction and it'll come out nice and defined like you want it. And so it may be easier just to go ahead and switch hands like I'm doing here, and then that way it'll be a bit more natural for you to do it in the right direction. Sis, do you see these finger coils? Okay. So it's all taken out, and now I'm just gonna take a pick and fluff it. This over here is kind of it dried that way. The roots were really puffy. So if you want to avoid that, just put a bobby pin by the ones that are super puffy. But overall, the other ones, they came out just fine. So now I'm gonna fluff it out. I might pin this up just to, like, you know, just to fix it, so to speak. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. All I did was throw some gel on that, twist it up, and then pin it down. And then to get the little elongation look in the front of your face, just pull your hair down and stick some bobby pins into it so it can stay in place. So I might stretch this hairstyle out a bit with some scrunchies, but I'm not sure. I will post that on my Instagram if I decide to do that. So make sure you follow me at ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕑𝓚 to check that out. But for now, this is the final result for my full wash day using 4C only products, and that's it. Thanks so much, y'all, for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below how you do your finger coils and if you've done a finger coil set before or if you plan on trying one soon. All right, guys, catch you in the next one.